to week 1. Let's get started with today's routine. Grab your supplies and let's go. Let's begin with kneeling for our mobility warm-up. You're first going to pop your toe back, hips are square, and you're going to bring your arms forward. You're going to lean forward until you feel a stretch in the hamstring. Come up and lean into a hip flexor stretch. We're going to do this for about 30 seconds on each side. Get in your starting position. Ready, and relax. Other side. Ready, and relax. We are going to do straight leg raises. You're going to take the band and bring it down to around your ankles or move it if it's too difficult. Lie down flat, and you're going to bring your pelvis into neutral and slide out that leg. You're going to lift the leg only as high at most opposite this knee. You do not want to lift it too high. The most important thing is that you feel the hip flexor working and your core stays in neutral, a pelvic tilt. You shouldn't be able to put your hand underneath your back. It should be in contact with the... Ready for straight leg raises? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and down. 2, and down. 3, and down. 4, and down. 5, and down. 6, and down. 7, and down. 8, and relax. Next, we've got bridges. We are going to put the band above the knees, spread the legs out about hip distance here. Lie down and make sure that those heels are close to your buttocks. We don't want them far away. If you feel it too much in the hamstrings, then pop your toes up and really focus on using the glute max, the biggest hip extensor. So we are going to do a pelvic tilt, so bring that spine to neutral again by doing a big exhale. Feel it through the core. Don't let your hand come over here, and bring your hands up on top. And we are going to start doing our bridges, just lifting up parallel here, not arching and not opening our spine up. Ready for bridges? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, we're going to do a modified plank. All you're going to do is walk your hands forward, bring your core into neutral, and lean into this position, and you're going to hold the core in neutral. If this is too easy for you, you are welcome to go into a full plank by lifting up, shoulders down, and core in neutral here. Making sure that you are in neutral. Watch yourself in the mirror that you're not arching or rounding and lifting your hips up above your spine. Ready for plank, and get in position, holding. Keep going, keep breathing, you're doing great. You're almost there. And relax. Grab a looped band or a straight band. We're gonna take this, and if you want it harder, you can put it around your ankles. Easier would be above the knees. We're gonna do crab walks, so we're gonna bend, and we're gonna lead with our heel and go to the side, just little steps. And we're gonna set a timer going back and forth. Make sure that your spot is about equal on both sides so that you're not overpowering on one side versus the other. Crab walks, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold the core in. And relax. A quick thing I want to talk to you about is when I actually feel my snapping hip snap. I mainly feel it when I'm taking my leg to second and lowering it down, that eccentric control. And I notice it the most when I sit in my hip. So if I'm here and I'm unengaged on the inside leg and I take my leg out, I end up feeling the snap. The other time is when I'm bottom-moning and again, not engaged on that standing side enough, and then it snaps on the way down. So if you have that problem, make sure that you're really lifting up tall in the standing leg and using your core, and good breathing techniques are important here. The breathing technique you want to use is inhale, exhale, and that will help the core activate so that it provides you with some more control as you lower your leg, which should decrease the incidence of snapping. Now, just remember with snapping hip, you want to avoid movements that exacerbate the snap. Even if it's not painful, you should avoid that movement for a temporary time. And then you can slowly reintroduce the movement when your symptoms have calmed down for a while. Let's go ahead and move on to our stretches. Okay, go ahead and grab your stuff and let's start stretching. I'm gonna go into a pigeon pose with my front leg and grab my strap or my beach towel. And I'm gonna take around my leg here and I'm going to pull it in for a nice deep stretch here. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. Let's go ahead and grab that foam roller. I'm going to turn it on the low vibration setting. And I'm just going to cross my hip joint at the top and roll my hip flexor here. Now I'm going to scoot up and I'm going to do the entire quadricep, the rectus femoris, that front portion. And I'm going to go ahead and turn off my roller Put it to the side, and we're gonna do another stretch. You're gonna lie on your side, take this stretch strap again, and you're gonna take it around the ankle. You're going to bring it over this way, and you're going to actually stretch the quad again. So you're taking it behind you, and then I want you to lower it down as much as you can. If you have a really tight IT band, then you're gonna have trouble with the lowering down part. So just hold it in first, get comfortable here. I know it's super comfy. And then when you're ready, take the bottom leg, hook it on top, and then you're going to be pulling into a quad stretch while you push down with the leg and get a little bit more mobility out of that TFL and the abductor muscles. Breathe through all your stretches. And relax. Next, I want you to roll onto your back, and you're going to take this band up again, and we're going to externally rotate and cross the hip over here and push the knee out. And we're going to hold. And pull the leg in if you're able to, but keep contact with the hips on the floor. Let's let it looser here. And we're just going to do a gentle oscillation. And then hold again. And then a little oscillation again. And then down. That is not an aggressive bounce. It's a very nice, slow and controlled movement. Come up. Now this one is one that may exacerbate you, it may not. If it does, skip on to the next stretch. If it doesn't, then join me. So you're gonna cross the affected side on top, keep both bones down on the floor, your sits bones. This may be less crossed, like this, or it may be more crossed. You may have your knees parallel with each other. However you want to be, get in that position, sit up nice and tall, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I want you to activate those muscles and just push down a little bit with your knee. These are actively oscillating here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you'd like to, you can fold forward and hold. Very good, and come up and relax. We're gonna move on to our last stretch here, and we'll do a little bit more foam rolling. Come up to the bar, leg in front, one leg back. Try to keep that spine nice and tall and slide into that hip flexor stretch as much as you're able to. And slowly come up. We're gonna do one last roll here. You're gonna sit on the foam roller, turn it on, cross the affected side over top and turn towards the affected side. And we're gonna find the piriformis and focus on it.
And come on off. Great job today. I hope you are feeling better and stronger each time you do this routine. Message me if you need anything or you need additional support or feedback.